Hi, I'm Stephanie with Wunderlich America, where German precision meets real-world riding. And today, we're talking about something that can absolutely make or break your ride, your seat. There's nothing wrong with the classics, but let's be honest, we've come a long way in comfort, so why get stuck in the past? This is the Wunderlich AKTIVKOMFORT Heated Seat with Gel, a serious upgrade for your R1250 RT that takes your pain points seriously. This isn't just your standard seat. With an ergonomic 3D contour and dual layer core, the AKTIVKOMFORT seat distributes your weight evenly across the surface, reducing pressure points and maximizing comfort, no matter how long you're in the saddle. The real magic is in the materials. High quality foam and a gel insert for cushioning, and a built-in carbon heating element that delivers steady, comfortable warmth when you need it. Cold morning starts, problem solved. But here's what really sets us apart: our ThermoPro coating. This tech keeps the seat up to 77 degrees cooler in direct sunlight. So while other riders are standing up at traffic lights to avoid searing pain, you're sitting cool and comfortable. Support doesn't stop with temperature. The shape of the seat is designed to support you through every corner and stop, so you stay connected and in control without fatigue. It's available in standard, tall and low, and passenger versions, so no matter your size or riding position, there's a perfect fit for you. Plus, it's built to last, with welded seams and a durable high-strength seat shell, and premium finishes that look as good as they feel. In true Wunderlich fashion, it's built in small batches in Germany with obsessive attention to detail and quality that you can count on. The Wunderlich AKTIVKOMFORT Heated Seat isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete transformation. Ready to ride longer, warmer, and more comfortably than ever? Find your perfect fit today at wunderlichamerica.com. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more premium motorcycle upgrades, tips, and product spotlights. Ride safe, and we'll see you out there.